Good morning. First one of the day. New client with his gorgeous 1290 Superduke R. This is going to get a full works valet, so it will get a proper Snowfoam, safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. We're going to XCP all the motor, all your suspension linkage, anything I think corrode, and then he's going to go with the extra Ultimaxx ceramic. So I'll get all these wheels cleaned up. Once all that's done, we'll do a machine polish on this bodywork, and then we'll treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz ceramic, and we'll put it on the wheels as well. As these are lightly colored wheels, it'll make them nice and easy to keep clean. Get all that old chain lube off. More than anything, get some XCP corrosion protection on all these bits and pieces that I think might corrode, just so it's protected over the winter. And like I said, the ceramic will make these wheels nice and easy to keep clean. So yeah, let's get cracking. Get a bit of Snowfoam on it, get rid of all these contaminants and degrease it, and then we'll crack on with a bit of detailing. There you go, just over 2 hours. This 1290 Superduke R has been fully trotted and looking as good as new, if not better. This has had one of our full works valets, so it has had a Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. All your burnt on brake dust has been removed. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards, all your engine bay, suspension linkages, all your nuts and bolts, banjo bolts, things like that I think might corrode, has all had a nice coating. Mirror polished up all that exhaust as new. All the back, the staining, everything's been polished. All your chain lube and everything that was all built up's all been removed. All the chain has been blow dried, re-lubed up Silcoline titanium gel. Exhaust has come up like new. I did a single stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz ceramic, which is a self-healing ceramic. We also polished these wheels and I prepped them, and then I put the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on these. Look at the gloss on that. Should be nice and easy to keep clean now and fully protected. So yeah, just over 2 hours. Get yours booked in there. We're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.